Hi, it's Alison. Thank you for joining me once again. Um, we just want to quickly look at what the prices are doing today. The price of Bitcoin is falling down again. The time now is about 6 minutes past 8 p.m. here in the UK. On the what day is it today? I think it's the 18th actually. Is it? Yeah, Wednesday, 18th October. Now I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but as we speak, the price of Bitcoin is dropping. It reached a new high of about 5,800 a couple of days ago, and it's dropping. So what do you do when the price of Bitcoin is dropping? I want to show you what I do. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just showing you what I do, and hopefully we can all learn from what I do and what is actually working for me. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'll show you what I do when the price of Bitcoin is dropping, okay? So minimize that. Now, as you can see from various exchanges, this is Bitfinex. Price currently is $5,408. On Polynex is 5,405. On Bitrix is slightly higher at the moment, 5,412. But this contrasts to the high that Bitcoin got to. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what the average is right now. CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what the price is right now. 1 second, I'm trying to get my mouse to work. So on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, it's 5,422, which is the average of a couple of exchanges around. So just scrolling past, you can see the whole market is quite red. Ethereum has dropped, Ripple, everything is dropping. So the market is on a downward trend. NEO has some pullback from some gains they had yesterday. So everything is absolutely red apart from a few coins like Lisk, which is showing some promise. Waves looks like it's picking up, and you can see this for yourself and you can just scroll through. But the important thing here is, what do you do when Bitcoin is dropping? Some people tend to panic and sell off, depends on what they bought the Bitcoin for. But I want to bring you to Bitfinex. This is my Bitfinex account right here. And I hope you sold Bitcoin when the price was, what is it here? Was it here? Yeah, when the price was, no. When the price was 5,800, I hope you sold around, not here, what is it? Hang on a minute, what chart am I on? My day chart. So this was, oh, hang on, I've gone so far back, haven't I? So sorry, let's see, the last spike we had, which was a couple of days ago. So I hope you sold Bitcoin around here, which is, yeah. So you should have sold Bitcoin around here, okay? You should not be buying Bitcoin around here. You should be selling, okay? So if you have sold Bitcoin around here, now you see it is falling, okay? It's not even time for you to rebuy, okay? The only time you can rebuy, for me, is when you have something like this. You can see I have two indicators on here. This is the Bollinger Bands, and this is the RSI. This one in the middle here is RSI. So you want to wait for this Bollinger Band here to have this kind of formation to come to the very bottom and touch the 30. Okay, that is what you should be doing. Okay, so we'll wait there. Now it's having a dip. Okay, now it's going to go back and forth, back and forth. I'm on the daily candle chart, so you have to wait. So basically, I am here rubbing my hands together, waiting for this Bitcoin chart to get all the way down. Now, it might take a couple of weeks, a couple of days, or a week or two, but Bitcoin is certainly going to come down and then bounce up again. Historically, Bitcoin has always done that. So when Bitcoin prices are dropping, it's time for you to wait. And then, it's time for you to wait and then buy when the price is gone. It doesn't matter what the price is, but it's definitely going to be lower than, oh, sorry about that. Definitely going to be lower than the price you sold it at, okay? So when the price is up here and rising, you should be selling. And when the prices come down, you should be buying. So going all the way down gives you a very wide margin of profit in between, okay? Now, this is the same technique I use for NEO. You can see I have 34 NEO there. And what I did, oh, what's going on here? 1 second. Oh, sorry. So I had 25 NEO. I sold it when the RSI was a bit high. And let me see. Oh, sorry about that. So I sold 25 NEO when the RSI was high a couple of weeks ago. Let me see if I can get it for you. Just to show you an example of what I mean of how you can use that to trade not just Bitcoin, but any cryptocurrency. I use that same system for NEO against BTC. And let's look at my trades. So you can, let's look at my trades, yours. So you can see a couple of, I bought, what is it? Now I sold NEO on 1st of October for 0.0079 Bitcoin. And then I bought it back at 0.055. That was because I was very, very patient. So because of that, I was able to gain 9 NEO in addition to the 25 that I sold, okay? You can use that same principle for any of the markets. So this is some money I have here waiting to buy Bitcoin. So when the price is falling, I would advise you to just wait, okay? So that is how we do it. You just be patient, know when to buy and know when to sell, okay? So if I stop screen sharing, so that is the strategy I use, using those two indicators, the Bollinger Band and then the RSI Relative Strength Index as well, to time when I buy my Bitcoins. Now, if you don't want the drama of having to time your Bitcoins and you want to have, a smooth straight line income, I have another opportunity for you to use to earn Bitcoins. And this is called Bitconnect. Bitconnect is, as we know, is a very well established cryptocurrency. I think I have to go back to screen sharing actually, so I can show you my back office of Bitconnect and what Bitconnect is all about. You must have heard about it. This is my back office. I'm currently earning about $20 per day. I only started a couple of days ago. I've taken my loan investment up to $2,240, and this has given me $121 in earnings so far. They are currently paying about average of 1% per day. So this is what you can do if you want to earn Bitcoins without the drama of having to trade. You just register for a free account. I'll also leave a link below this video. And then all you have to do is to transfer Bitcoins onto this place. I have a step-by-step videos on here as well. I'll probably leave this page for you here. Watch this video from one or another YouTuber, and then when you click here to get started, you're going to come up to a page where I have listed on how you are going to get started. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. When the price of Bitcoin is falling, don't rush into buying. You have to wait until the RSI comes very well below the current mark, and I would say it should be approaching the the 30 mark on the RSI. Okay, that's that one. Yes, it should be coming down all the way down here before you even think of buying. Okay, if you do this, you will never lose a Bitcoin trade again, but you have to be patient. I will put my candlestick chart on 1 day. Okay, for me, you get more data when the chart is on 1 day. So if I've missed out anything, please let me know. If you have your favorite indicators that you used to trade, mine is the Bollinger Band and the Relative Strength Index. If you have better indicators, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, I also trade with a crypto bot, but I'll probably talk about that in some other video. Today is just to let you guys know what to do when Bitcoin prices are falling. I hope you sold at a high price and not buying at a high price. Okay, we should sell high and then rebuy low. Okay, so that is how we go about trading crypto in the very, very in the right way. So what I want to stop sharing, and hang on a minute, what am I doing? Cancel that. I should stop sharing actually. Let's see. So stop sharing. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I have the links below this video if you want to join Bitconnect, or if you have any questions or any comments. I would love to hear from you guys. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.